Timmy was an adventurous boy who loved exploring the forest near his house. One sunny afternoon, as he wandered deeper into the woods, he stumbled upon a peculiar tree with a trunk so wide it seemed to stretch endlessly. It had a face carved by nature, and to Timmy's amazement, the face blinked. "Hello there, young one," the tree said in a deep, gentle voice. Timmy froze in shock. You can talk?" "Yes," the tree replied, "but I'm one of the last trees in this forest with magic left. And even that is fading away." Timmy's curiosity turned into concern. "Why is your magic fading?" The tree sighed. "People are cutting down my friends, the other trees, for wood and space. Without them, the forest can't thrive, and I can't protect the animals who call this place home." Timmy felt a pang of guilt. He had seen logs piled up in the village but never thought about where they came from. "What can I do to help?" he asked eagerly. The tree smiled faintly. "You can start by caring for the forest. Clean up what humans have left behind and help nurture new life. Protect the animals and plants here." Timmy spent the next few days cleaning the forest. He picked up trash, cleared paths for small animals, and watered saplings that needed care. He even started bringing friends along to help. As weeks turned into months, the forest began to heal. Animals returned, birds sang cheerfully, and the air felt fresher. One sunny morning, the tree spoke in a joyous tone, "You did it, Timmy. Your love for nature has brought back the magic." Timmy grinned. "I couldn't have done it without you." From that day on, Timmy became known as the Forest Guardian. He inspired others to respect nature,